Hello, this is Sarah from M&Co Cleaning. Who am I speaking with today?
Hey Sarah, this is Bruno speaking.
Hi Bruno, how can I help you today?
Just wanted to know the price to clean 3 rooms.
For 3 rooms, the price for carpet cleaning is $249. Please keep in mind that all prices are subject to change following a technician's review upon arrival. Would you like to proceed with the booking for those 3 rooms?
Yes, please.
What's your email address so I can send over the booking confirmation?
bruno@aissie.com.au.
Thanks for that. Just to make sure I've got it right, that's B for Bravo, R for Romeo, U for Uniform, N for November, O for Oscar, at AIssie.com.au. Can we use the same phone number you're calling from, or is there a different one you'd prefer?
Same phone number.
Could you please provide your full address, including the postcode and suburb, so I can get that validated for you?
Yes, 26 Kahana Parkway in Butler, 6036.
Perfect. Now, when would you like us to come out and clean those 3 rooms? Please let me know your preferred date and time.
This Saturday in the afternoon.
I have a 3 p.m. slot available this Saturday, which sounds perfect for your afternoon request. Would you like to lock that in for your 3-room carpet clean?
Yes, please.
The booking is confirmed for this Saturday at 3 p.m, and you'll receive an email and SMS shortly with all the details. Our team may reach out to you to ask for pictures if they're needed for the job. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, that's all. Thanks, Sarah.
You're very welcome, Bruno. Have a wonderful day and we'll see you on Saturday. Goodbye.